Hello everyone, today's recipe is all about hash browns that we eat in McDonald's, so keep watching to know how we can make this at home in a little healthier way. So I have taken here 2 large potatoes which I have peeled and shredded. Now I'll take some ice cold water and I have to just wash it very nicely into this water so that all the starch from the potatoes can come out and it's ready to go into the recipe. The water should be really cold enough because we don't want the potatoes to cook at this point. Now squeeze out all the excess water using a muslin cloth and you should be left with the dry shredded potato. Now add 2 tablespoons of flour, whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of green chilies. You can add it or subtract it as per your needs, and ginger grated, some garlic finely chopped, and some coriander leaves. Now for the seasonings, I'm adding here salt to taste and some black pepper powder. So yeah, this makes the mixture. This mixture makes the base of your hash browns. Mix them really nicely so that all the ingredients get combined in itself. So now if you are a vegetarian, you can add some boiled potatoes to the mixture, and if you are good with egg and you can eat them, and so you can add 1 whole egg to it. This will work perfectly fine in both the cases. So now once your mixing is done, it's nice and really mixed, so heat a tawa. You can use a non-stick tawa so that it will require a little less oil as compared to the I have used, because I have used normal tawa. Once it's nice and hot, now add the mixture using the spoon, and from the back of the spoon just spread it really nicely on the tawa. You can give it a really good shape. I'm making it with one hand, so probably it's really difficult for me, but yeah, you can give it proper shape. You can even use some containers or some cutters to spread this in a proper shape, so this will be really nice looking and really presentful. So cook it really nicely from both the sides on medium flame. Do not cook it on high flame, it will get burned. So you have the to crisp, let it crisp from both the sides. The motto is to get this crisp. The outer layer has to be really nice. So you can add more oil or less oil as required and let it cook it really nicely, and you are done with the hash browns. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out for you. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and share it with family and friends. Thank you so much for watching, and till then, take care. Bye.